Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, friends, let's start today's video. Bring your space to life with the magic of hand-painted glass arts. Each stroke tells a story, each petal glows with love, and each leaf shines with colors. These delicate vase and plates are perfect examples of how art can turn ordinary glass into extraordinary masterpiece. Imagine this stunning flower design on your dining table, on a bright windowsill, or as a thoughtful gift for someone special. Hand painted with care, every detail is unique. No two pieces are ever the same. Add elegance, add colors and soul with hand painted glass art. So friends, bright and cheerful style. Let your home spark with colors. Our hand-painted vase and plates brings happiness, freshness, and a touch of spring every day of the year, gifting an emotional boost. Some gifts are remembered for a moment, but this one stay forever. Hand-painted glassware, perfect for birthday, anniversary, or just to say you're special. Artist and gravity style glass in your glasses. Our canvas colors are our poetry, from soft pink petal or rich green leaf. Every detail is a brushstroke of joy waiting to shine in your home. Storytelling style ones, a plain piece of glass, now a green frozen in time. Our artist hand paint every flower,